Hi, welcome back. So in that last video, we introduced all of the terminology for side, 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 angle, side, angle, side, and angle, side, angle. Okay, now let's see if we can use that in these following problems. Okay, so now side, 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 three sides. Side, angle, side, side, angle, side. Determine whether this is side, 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 or side, angle, side. Well, the key here is side goes to side, side goes to side. This is a shared side. It's called the reflexive property. So it's side, side, side. Now this one, side, angle, there's not enough information to determine. Okay, so let's get started here. Analyze the worked example. This side goes to this side. This angle goes to this angle. This is a shared side called the reflexive property. Side, angle, side. Okay, now angle, angle, side, side, we don't have enough information. They didn't give us enough symbols. Side, 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 side. All the sides are corresponding to all the other sides. 8, 8, 7, 8, 7, no. 8, 8, 8, 7, 7, they're not congruent. Cool, crushed it. Okay, side, side, angle, 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 side. Okay. Now if we pull this out, that goes to that, that goes to that. Yeah, there's not enough because we don't know that this piece is equal to this piece. Okay. Angle, angle, side, side, that's the reflexive property onto itself, 75, 75. So angle, side, angle. Angle, angle, side, side, angle, angle. Whoa, 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 whoa. Angle, side, angle, but this went side, angle, angle. It's not the same. Not the same. Yeah, not congruent. I messed that up. Okay. QWZ, QWZ. We don't have enough information. Angle, angle, side, because it's a shared side BD. Angle, angle, side. Missed a piece. Okay. Okay, so given VW, boom, XW, boom. Angle VWY, XWY, side, angle, side. Boom. Okay, now WST, VUT, boom, boom. UT intersects SV. UT intersects SV. UT ST. ST is the same as UT. Okay, angle, angle, side, side, and these are vertical angles. Okay, vertical angles, angle, side, angle, because they are vertical angles. So we need the reflexive piece, we need the vertical angle piece, WST, triangle, because of angle, side, angle, ASA. Those triangles are wait a minute, different. CE is perpendicular bisector of FD. So this is equal to this, perpendicular bisector, 90, 90. So it's going to be side, angle, side. They're right angles. Side, angle, side. Okay. Now, HK is equal to HK. Capital HK. We got to memorize reflexive property, perpendicular bisector, perpendicular bisector. Reflexive, the same side. Okay. And same side, GH, JK, HJ. So this is going to be the side, side, side. Okay, now PT, RS, PQT, angle, side. PTQ, they are right angles. Angle, side. Adaptive. The more you miss, the more you do. Okay. All right. So given TZ, boom, and WX, TM, WT, TZ, they're parallel, so we have the corresponding angle. So side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. Okay. Now we got this idea of a proof. So how can we say ACK, ECG? That's the vertical angles. X marks the spot. Okay, remember vertical angles. X marks the spot. X marks the spot. Okay, triangle. So now we have AG intersected CAC, EC. So we're going to go side, angle, side. Once we do side, angle, side, that's the CPCTC, corresponding parts of corresponding, the CPCTC. HK, this is the reflexive piece. And the triangles, what do we have? Angle, side angle, ASA. And HLK. And I just click on angle, side angle. And then we have the corresponding parts of corresponding triangles.